ako ang live, pilit-pilit. Walay ganahan ng lantaw kay ga. Sige, pilit-pilit. Bantog na na eh. Good morning to my 62 million viewers. Diyan, may gani karon kay kanang kusog-kusog na. Din sayo-sayo po ko naka-live. Ako na lang ilang to, last 12 naman tayo. Good morning to my 62 million viewers. Pa-subscribe ako, guys. And give me thumbs up. And also, Mayang Provinciana, please subscribe her also, guys. We're doing live every day. Every day, if you don't have fun, we don't have topak.
Just in time to race
Not
with them. Not me though. I still need one more racing sticker.
Hang on, Sparkle. Look, we're getting your last sticker.
I did it! I got all my stickers.
Pabili pa ng gulong. Ay, crispy! Wala kaming tindang gulong. Meron nandito. Good morning to my 67 million viewers. Shout out, guys. Wala kaming gulong dito. Ano, Ellie? 70 million viewers. Hello. Pa-subscribe, guys. Ellie, may gulong pa ba dyan? Mayang.
Kevin Blaze and Sparkle get a better
Crispy, ano? Mahal mo si Anong Ellie? Crispy, sabi ko. Nandito kasi kanina si Ellie.
The track is broken.
Hindi.
dad. Looks like
May asawa na yun, Crispy. You know what? May asawa na yun si Ellie. I know, don't do that, mommy.
We've got to find some way to get across. Oh, I know. What if we go
Gulong ng palad na.
jump across? Yeah. You play with me.
Ikaw nga meron din. Eddie Humadi, you're beautiful. Thank you very much. Ikaw nga meron din ha. Flat ang ilong, isti gulong. Flat kayong ilong. Flat ang ilong. Saka si Mayang meron. Saka si Mayang meron. Meron akong asawa talo. Mayang has 3 husbands. Meron siyang tatlong asawa, Ellie. Imang Benar, hello! Inday, Bobby! Hello, Bobby! Bobby. Nakita ko yung picture nila, pinakita ni Mommy Jen. Oo, yun! Di ba gwapo yung asawa niya, Crispy? Di ba pogi yung asawa niya? Pogi yung asawa ni Mayang, di ba? Hindi mo pa nakita yung yung dalawa. Eddie Humadi, where are you from? I'm from Philippines, Eddie. Subscribe me, Eddie, and give me a thumbs up. Nagayuma ni Mayang. Nagayuma lang ba yun? Kulang pa nga yun, hanap ako. Naghahanap pa daw siya, no? Muset. Naghahanap pa yun. Inda, hello. Good morning.
Me too. So am I.
Good morning, Inda.
Can you help us?
Papalitan ni Mayang
Of course we'll help.
baog si Mayang. si Mayang ba yung baog, ano?
One way to
Crispy.
figure this out. We'll use the
Hala, Mayang baog ka daw, sabi ni Crispy.
That's no to get closer to an answer.
Papalo ako, guys, to my 58 million viewers. Papalit. Hindi naman, wag mong subukan, masisira buhay mo, Crispy. Wag mong subukan, Crispy, kung ayaw mong, ayaw mong maging pang-apat ni Mayang.